Howdy, fellow Texans. In a world that seems to be constantly pushing for globalization, for bigger markets, for national and international brands, have you ever stopped and wondered why a successful company would choose to intentionally limit its business to just one single state? It seems counterintuitive, doesn't it? It goes against everything we're taught about business growth. Why would an insurance company, with a successful track record of over a century, deliberately turn down business from 49 other states? That is the fascinating and defining story of Germania Insurance. For over 129 years, they have remained fiercely, proudly, and exclusively Texan. But the crucial question for you, the consumer, is this. Is that just a clever marketing gimmick, a way to wrap themselves in the Lone Star flag to win your business? Or does it actually tangibly matter for you, the policyholder? Does it affect the price you pay, the coverage you get, and the service you receive when you have a claim? Today, we're going to explore exactly why Germania Insurance only serves Texas, and more importantly, why that Texas-only focus could be your secret advantage when it comes to protecting your family, your property, and your financial future. Let's unpack what it really means to be Texas-born, Texas-bred, and Texas-focused. The decision to remain a Texas-only company is not a limitation. It is the very core of Germania's identity and their entire business strategy. It's a deliberate choice that creates three key, powerful advantages for you, the Texas policyholder. Let's break them down. Advantage number one is unmatched local expertise. Insurance is not, and should never be, a one-size-fits-all product. The risks that we face here in Texas are incredibly unique and diverse. A standard policy that works in a mild climate like Oregon is simply not adequate for the challenges of our state. We have a long and beautiful Gulf Coast that is constantly under the threat of hurricanes with devastating wind and storm surge. We have a massive portion of our state, from Dallas-Fort Worth down to San Antonio, that is part of Hail Alley, with the highest frequency of severe destructive hailstorms in the entire nation. We have powerful tornadoes that can form in the north and the panhandle. We have relentless summer heat and shifting clay soils that can cause devastating foundation problems for our homes. A national insurance company that is based in a corporate headquarters in another state has to create policies that are broad enough to work everywhere. Their claims adjusters are often part of a national catastrophe team that gets flown in after a major storm. They may have no real on-the-ground understanding of our local building codes, our specific weather patterns, or the unique costs of labor and materials in our market. Germania, on the other hand, crafts its policies from the ground up, specifically for these Texas risks. Their underwriters, their claims adjusters, and their agents are your neighbors. They live here. They experience the same weather you do. They understand the difference between wind-driven rain and rising floodwaters. They know the local roofing contractors, and they understand the specific building codes that apply in your city. They're not just insuring a property on a map, they are insuring their own community. This deep, institutional knowledge, built up over 129 years of experience, is a massive advantage. It means you are more likely to get a policy that is truly tailored to your needs, and a claims process that is handled by people who genuinely understand what you're going through. Advantage number two is focused financial resources. This is a point that most people never consider, but it is incredibly important. When a major disaster strikes, a national insurance company has to spread its resources, its money, its people, its attention across the entire country. Imagine a scenario where a massive hurricane is bearing down on the Florida coast at the exact same time that a series of devastating wildfires are raging across California. That national insurance company has to triage its resources. Their catastrophe team is split. Their financial reserves are being hit from multiple directions at once. Their attention is divided. Now consider Germania. Because they only operate in Texas, when a disaster strikes here, 100 of their focus is on helping their Texas policyholders recover. All of their claims adjusters are deployed here. All of their financial resources are dedicated to rebuilding our communities. Their entire leadership team is focused on one thing and one thing only: responding to the crisis in Texas. They are not distracted by what is happening in 49 other states. When Hurricane Harvey devastated the Houston area, Germania's entire operation was focused on that one event. This ability to concentrate all their power in one place, our place, can lead to a faster and more efficient response, right when you need it most. It's a powerful argument for keeping your business with a local specialist. This Texas-first approach is a powerful reason to consider Germania, but it's still absolutely crucial to have an agent who can translate that strategic advantage into real savings and real protection for you and your family. At Baxter Insurance Agency, we specialize in helping Texans find the best possible coverage from Texas-focused companies like Germania. We live here, we work here, and we understand how to leverage that local expertise to benefit you directly. We can show you how Germania's unique understanding of our state can result in a better policy, often at a better price. For a free Germania quote that is built by Texans for Texans, call us today at 281-445. Let us show you the power of keeping it local. Now for the third, and perhaps the most important and heartfelt advantage of Germania's Texas-only focus. Advantage number 3 is a deep and unwavering commitment to Texas communities. For a national corporation, Texas is just one market out of 50. It's a line on a spreadsheet. For Germania, Texas is everything. Their success is directly and inextricably tied to the health and success of Texas and its people. They are deeply invested in our local communities in a way that a national company simply cannot be. They sponsor local events from high school football teams to county fairs. They support local charities and nonprofits. And most importantly, their agents are local small business owners who are part of the very fabric of your town. They are your neighbors. They are the people you see at the grocery store, at church, or at a little league game. When you pay your insurance premium to Germania, that money doesn't get wired to a corporate headquarters in another state. That money stays right here in Texas. It pays the salary of your local agent and their staff. It gets deposited in a local bank. It gets spent at local businesses. You are not just buying an insurance policy. You are investing in your own community. You are supporting your neighbors. This commitment creates a level of accountability and personal service that you just don't get from a faceless national corporation. Your Germania agent has a reputation to uphold in your town. They can't hide behind an 800 number. That personal connection and that community investment fosters a deeper level of service, trust, and partnership. So while a national brand might offer you flashy commercials with talking animals and a slick mobile app, they can never, ever replicate the deep-rooted Texas expertise, the focused resources, and the powerful community commitment that is the very cornerstone of Germania's identity. It's a different way of doing business, a more personal way, a more Texan way. So does it really matter that Germania Insurance only serves Texas? Yes, it absolutely matters. It means you get an insurer that truly understands our unique and often brutal risks. It means you get a company that focuses all of its resources and all of its attention right here at home when disaster strikes. And it means you get a partner who is invested in your local community, a neighbor who you can trust. It is a powerful combination of benefits that provides real, tangible value to you as a policyholder. If you believe in supporting Texas businesses, if you want an insurance policy that is crafted by experts who live and breathe the Lone Star State, then Germania is a choice you can feel genuinely good about. It's a choice that aligns your financial protection with your Texas pride. Let the team at Baxter Insurance Agency show you how to put this incredible Texas advantage to work for you. Keep your business in Texas and get the protection you and your family deserve. Thanks for watching. If you're a proud Texan, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that celebrates our great state. God bless Texas.